At the train station.
Excuse me. I'd like a one-way ticket to the city center.
Sure. One adult ticket?
Yes, please.
That will be $3.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your ticket.
Thanks. Which train goes to the city center?
Take the next train on platform 4.
Platform 4?
Yes. Just go straight and turn left.
All right. What time does it leave?
In about 10 minutes.
Great. Thank you for your help. You're welcome.
Have a nice trip.
Thanks.
At the pharmacy.
Excuse me, do you have anything for a headache?
Yes, we do. Is it a bad headache?
Not too bad, but it's annoying.
You can take these tablets. They help with headaches.
Do I need a prescription?
No, you don't. They're over the counter.
Okay. How often should I take them?
1 tablet after food. Follow the instructions on the box.
Hey, right. Thanks. I also want to buy some vitamins.
Sure. What kind are you looking for?
Just something for energy and general health.
These multivitamins are a good choice.
How do I take them?
1 tablet a day after breakfast. Sounds good.
I'll take 1 bottle. Great.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome.
The weekly wash. Hi. Are you using the washing machine right now? I just started a load, but it'll be done in about 30 minutes. Oh, okay. I was hoping to do my laundry too. No problem. You can use it after me if you want. That would be great. Thanks. Do you have a lot of clothes to wash? Not too many. Just 1 basket. Then 1 cycle should be enough. Good. I'm still figuring out how this machine works. It's pretty simple. Add detergent here, close the door, and choose the normal setting. Got it. Does it take long? Around 40 minutes for a regular wash. That's not bad. Can I use fabric softener too? Yes. There's a small section for that in the drawer. Perfect. Thanks for explaining. Of course. I usually do laundry in the evening because it's less busy then. That's a good idea. I'll try that next time. Great. I'll let you know when my load is done. Thanks a lot.
The new neighbor. Hi. I don't think we've met before. I'm Maya. Hi, Maya. I'm Amy. I just moved in yesterday. Oh, welcome to the building. Which apartment are you in? I'm in 304. Just down the hall. Nice. How are you settling in so far? Pretty well, thanks. I'm still learning what's around here. This is a good area. There's a nice grocery store 2 streets away. That's good to know. Is there a good coffee shop nearby, too? Yes. There's a cozy one near the park. Their iced coffee is really good. That sounds perfect. Any restaurant recommendations? There's a great pizza place on Main Street. And a small cafe with amazing breakfast. Wow, I need to try those. Thanks for the tips. Of course. If you need anything, just knock on my door. That's so kind. Thanks, Maya. You're welcome. See you around.
The Hostel Kitchen. Hi. Is anyone using this stove? No. Go ahead. I'm just making pasta. Thanks. I'm trying to cook some noodles. Nice. Are you staying here for long? Just 3 nights. What about you? Same here. I arrived this morning. Oh, cool. By the way, does this stove heat up quickly? Not really. You have to turn the knob all the way and wait a minute. Good to know. I thought it wasn't working. Yeah, I made the same mistake earlier. And do you know which fridge shelf we can use? The top 2 shelves are for guests. Just write your name on your food. Got it. Thanks for telling me. No problem. Also, don't forget to label leftovers too. That's a good tip. Hostel kitchens can get confusing. Exactly. Oh, and the shared plates are in that cabinet. Perfect. Thanks a lot. You're welcome. Enjoy your dinner.